Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to request signature in Docusign. How to request signature in Docusign. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome browser, which I'll be using for the purpose of my video. Alright, head over here and then try to sign in on Docusign if you do not already have an account. Because I already have an account, I would simply head over to log into my Docusign account. If you do not have an account, please do well to sign in to make the process seamless for you. So I'll head over to my Docusign account and it will open me up to my Docusign dashboard. So this is my dashboard where I can explore and do a whole world of things. In this video, I want to show you how to request signatures in Docusign. So what you have to do is head over to your start button over here, click on start to take it to the next page where it has created an envelope. Next, you want to click on this upload button over here. All right, you can upload your documents from your Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, Box, or whichever option that best suits you. I will just click on where I want to upload my documents from, click on the document, and in a few seconds my documents will be uploaded on the platform. As you can see on your screen, my document is ready to view. I can click on view to preview it. All right, so this is my document. Okay, so to request signature in DocuSign, I want to go ahead to add recipients because I cannot be the only signatory to my document. So I would want to add recipients. Right, so to add recipients, I'll just ensure that I fill up this field and then fill up this information and customize. Head on to the next one. If I need a number of recipients to add as signatories, I'll click on this and then ensure that I add them. And when I add all of these recipients, if you head over here, you would see that if I head over to the sign-in order, I have all the recipients appearing here and it shows completed. That means my recipients have responded to my request to sign. All right, so we'll head over here to add the subject of this document and then enter a specific message I want to send to those whose signatures I need on my document. Then I'll click on next, ensure that I fill up the necessary fields, and after that I can send the document to the recipient I have added over here. This is a simple, short, and straightforward way to request signatures in DocuSign. I hope this video was self-explanatory for you and that you've been able to achieve that which you sought for. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.